Okay, Rich, this is what I've got. This is a matched pair of stock 3.25-inch cylinders, front and rear. The rear cylinder does have one cracked fin right here. The rest of the fins are in good shape. Pistons are in good shape. There are original rings. This is the front cylinder. No cracks in the fins at all. Again, 3.25 with rings. This is a set of stock cylinders, no pistons. There's a front. It's all here. Good fins. And this is a rear. And it's got good fins. There's no breakage. This is normal. This is the clearance for the exhaust. And then I've got this rear cylinder. This is bored 30 thousandths over. Again, no cracks in the fins. I've got a pair of 10 over pistons, no rings. I've got a front cylinder head, pretty much untouched, dome, valve, everything is in place in it. I don't know. Look at fins here. Fins look really nice. No broken fins on this one. Well, one broken fin, I think, right here. This one's broken. And then this is a rear head that we've reworked. It was repaired here for the valve. You can see this crack goes all the way through, but it's been repaired. There is a new guide in it. I believe there's already a new seat pressed into it. If I can get it apart, it's coming. Yep. There's already a new nickel seat in it. Some of the fins have been repaired, as you can see. And I've got a dome that goes with it with a good intake valve as well. Over here is a complete new clutch. All the parts are new. The only thing used is this sprocket. We ran the Cannonball with that one. I've got more parts I'll show you later.